Greetings from Källtorp, Södra, this wonderful, secluded, nudist beach in the beautiful Nacka nature reserve. It is 17th of October 2024. It is exactly 12 o'clock and I am out for a lunch swim here in the beautiful nature in Nacka. And on this wonderful rocky nudist beach spot, I am all alone on this mid-October day. So last time I was here it was 15 degrees Celsius in the air and in the lake. Currently, like 10 days since I was here, it was that. Now it is 13 degrees Celsius with lots and lots of sun, and soon we're gonna check also the temperature in the lake over here. This is Lake Källtorp, obviously, and it's time for beach number 175 on my Sweden beach adventures. And this is the gravel bike that got me here. 10 kilometers, 24 minutes was it today, with a moderate tempo through the Nacka nature reserve and some of the Stockholm suburbs here. So peaceful and so nice indeed, and I really look forward for the swim here and to chill. I have no expectations to be warmer than 15, since that was like 10 days ago. Probably something around 12 we should be working with, so let's go and check together, because usually I measure before the video, but today I decided to show you how I measure. And I realized I need actually a new thermometer as well, because mine that I use is not actually a water thermometer, but it's a normal one, but it can be measured the same way for sure. I just didn't have time to go to a store to buy one, as I am prioritizing the beach adventures, obviously. So let's then go into with the thermometer for a few moments, and I'm going to show you here how the coast looks like with the nice cliffs. And I was actually on that spot over there last time I was here, as there were some people here on this huge rocky beach, so I wanted to find some privacy on that site. And okay, I thought that it's gonna be 12, but it is actually 11 degrees Celsius. It's closing to 12, but I will conquer it as 11. That's what I saw first. So 11 degrees Celsius, it's what we are working with. And yes, I think this is one of the coldest swims that I have had. So let's go with it. Let's just go with it, as it will not get warmer than that. But however, it is so nice with 13 degrees. We have a slight breeze, but it is not that bad, and under the sun it feels also much warmer than it actually is, to be fair. So let's then embrace this beautiful sunny day in Stockholm, Thursday, and get on with it. So 175 days I have been swimming and bathing in Stockholm and the rest of Sweden, in some of the cities I have visited throughout this year, but mostly Stockholm, obviously, because I live here. So, like, not gonna lie, my legs are cold right now, because of the obvious reasons, of course. So let's then get going anyway and enjoy a nice swim here in Källtorp, Södra, this nudist beach spot that is marked like that in the Scandinavian tourist portal, and it is quite popular during the summer months, as it is quite peaceful and nice here in the beautiful nature. So let's go! brilliant, magnificent, breathtaking. Words can't describe how I feel right now. And also cold, obviously. But that's the smallest issue, the smallest problem here. So yes, with this wonderful view that I have from Källtorp Lake in Nacka municipality, Stockholm, in the beautiful nature reserve of Nacka, I am wrapping up today's beach adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Stockholm, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.